Alright, we're just immediately after recording this one because I definitely need to go sleep soon because I got work in the AM. Oh my god, die. That didn't kill? What? Bro, so do I need 4 of those? Do I need 4? Like, for real? Like, for real, how am I supposed to kill these, dog? They're like, just fly. Like, no, bro, that didn't work. It's not working. Oh my god, I'm getting mad. Oh, I'm getting so pissed. Like, do I need all 4 of those bombs? And I hit that one twice, though. Dog, I can kill them that way. I know I can. I know for a fact I can kill them that way, but I don't think that's the way the game, quote unquote, intends for me to kill them. You know what I mean? Like, but maybe because it only gives you 4. And so I blow them, I hit 1, I hit 2. Maybe they take 3. Maybe they take 3. You know, cause I hit 1, I hit another one. Well, they giving me more bombs, but maybe it takes at least 3. Alright, so I got 8. Maybe it take at least 3. I got 8. Dog, I don't even want to fight. That's what's so crazy about this whole thing. Is I don't even want no smoke. Can I get a heart? Can I get another heart? Can't. Almost jumped away. And they'll give me 3 heart pieces. They'll give me 3 heart pieces, I think. Hold up, guys. Alright, I don't know what did or didn't not get my mic, but we're here and we're gonna kill these birds. That's not gonna blow up one time, yeah. We gotta kill these birds though. Did I hit both of them? No, it won't. But that'll hit them. There we go. Dang it. Is that too far? It is. No! I don't think I'm gonna kill him. You don't know how it's hitting. Blah, 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 blah. Die. Oh, thank you. Then you. This the last one. Oh, thank you. No, 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 no. Oh, thank you. Let's go down. This isn't even right, man. No. You're too far. Oh, you're not too far. Alright, where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're just gonna loop. Alright. That one was good. That one was easy. Okay. So maybe the left was the hardest one, right? Forget this. There's stairways to heaven on this one. I'm not gonna worry about it. You're gonna book it. Just gonna book it. Like I'm writing a novel. Girl, I gotta go. Oh, I did not have read that. Alright. I can definitely leave. Oh, I know what I gotta do. Yeah, I gotta go. I have to leave. I don't have enough bombs for this. Let's check out this part. We might make this a short episode. I'm probably gonna make this a short episode because I'm gonna definitely need to go back to the starting town and buy a ton of bombs. Of course that's up there, and I can't get up there yet. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and oh, never mind. Never mind. There's 10 bombs right here. Defeat the black monster with the hard shell. Feed them something. Yeah, I figured that much out. Thank you though. Thank you. I appreciate the knowledge. You not cow. What is this? 40 rupees. Well, 50 rupees. My bad. 50 rupees. I still have like what? 700 and something to go before I can buy a bow and arrow. Alright, so you can explore from this top palette, see all this stuff. Why would I go there? Like, I know there's a reason. I just don't know what the reason. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a reason, but whatever the reason is, I don't know. I'm running out. And this is the thing with a boss, like the boss isn't hard. It's just, if anything right now, it's just annoyingly slow. How many do I need to kill you? 3. What? No. Okay, come on, you dumb fairy. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, and we can warp back. All right, that's a good point to be at. That's a decent point right there. Like ooh, what do you have? You hold L, you can wait. Your L, you can dash. Try to go for a long jump. Oh, I can run through those now. Okay. I guess we have to go down. Okay. That's nice to know. It's a nice little thing to have. I don't know where that becomes useful. Like I can do it up here, but oh, all the way to the beginning. All the way in the beginning. It's probably useful up there. Come on. There we go. Probably useful up there from the repulsion, the white hole. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah, give me that. Give me that. We did that for a key. I want you to know that that was all for one, just for a key. But give me that. We're gonna make our way to the upper echelons. I don't really know why. You know, like I don't. Outside of it being more convenient, I'm not sure. I think that's it. I think the only point of this is that it's more convenient. All right. And he's talking about don't worry, but fly. Like, what? Far away. Do not fear. Dash and fly. Alright. Do not fear. Dash and fly. I wonder if that's gonna give me anything. Doesn't look like it. Does not look like it gave me a thing. So thanks, man. Oh, I'm missing a key. I am missing a key. That's great. It's just a bunch of greatness being shoved at me at one time. And I don't know how to react. I don't know how to react to... You know what? I'll probably get a key for killing them. Forget it. I'm leaving. Forget it. I'm just gonna leave. I feel like I need to kill that one for a key, but... What did this bird say? I already knew that. Yeah, that one was pointless. There is this anything you guys wanna tell me? Anything you guys wanna tell me? Huh? Anything at all? You know, I'd appreciate y'all letting me know. I think I gotta kill those stupid birds. I'm pretty sure that's what I have to do. Pretty sure I just have to kill those dumb birds. But I just really don't want to deal with... Oh my god, get off of me. Get off of me! Oh. Alright. Okay. Alright. Come on. They good? You did? Yeah. Alright, now give me a key. Thank you. Thank you. Now where I need to go. Now where do I need to go? There we go. Alright, so... we're gonna end it right here. I'm tired. And they keep wanting me to find more keys. And I don't have them. You know what I mean? I no longer have the keys. Like they're no longer in my possession. Like I don't even know where I haven't been on this floor that I can get to easily. Can I push one of y'all? Like, that's not even what I wanted to do. So like I can push you, but I can't push anyone else. So I can go down, and then I'm just right here. So like that's not helpful. Oh, yes it is. It is kind of helpful, I think. Alright, yeah, we're gonna end it right here. We're gonna end it right here. I figured it out before my brain died. So, yeah, we're gonna let my brain survive a little bit longer, and we'll be back tomorrow. I love you guys. I will see you next time. Peace.